Migawo ma jotich Alfred Mutua olando lokruok mowacho ni sirkal geto kelo e sekta ma chwalo jotije ma Kenya pinje ma oko ka oloso romo gi kembe ji giwegi ma manyo ne jokenya tije oko. Owacho ni chike manyien olos kokalo tudruok gi jokanya sekta no. Achiel kuom chikego en kelo yo manyien mar ndikruok mar kembego kendo yor ng'iyo lesen mag kembe ma kamago.
The compliance section of National Employment Agency is now fully staffed. We've ensured it is efficient to ensure that when they come to look at your stations, to ensure they're okay, it's being done in a very speedy and chap manner. No waiting, no losing time, so that you can get government to serve you and then you can serve the public.
We talked about the working with the DCI agents and about the local agencies. Who are these local agencies? They have not come to us as the leaders of the association and the tero who is working as a local agencies. Registered agencies in this country were about 1,574. And the only operation right now, as we are talking, is about 500. That means about 500 of them, they are outside there. If they are not working, what are they doing?